channel we make different quesadillas every video and see if their ingredients can or can't quesadilla.
So this quesadilla was a suggestion by my whole baseball team. Thanks, baseball team. So Griddle Buddies, my whole baseball team wanted to see a baseball themed quesadilla. So what's better in baseball than bubblegum and sunflower seeds? So we got Hubba Bubba bubblegum. That's
hard,
kind of a tongue twister. We got salted sunflower kernels
and Big League chewy gum.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we can just get cooking.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Play ball!
Okay, so like my batting average, we turned this up to 400 degrees.
And sadly, they didn't put my batting average because my batting average is 1,000. So,
I'm glad they didn't put this on here. Just accidentally turned it up too high and the house burned down, so you wouldn't get quesadilla anymore. Okay, tortilla.
No, it's folded.
Oh,
Never mind.
go.
Fold the quesadilla. That's strike one.
Oh. Now we're gonna add some of this Big League Chew. Just smells heavenly. Whoops. Counter snacks.
Oh no.
Alright. I'll just put the rest on there.
No, I want one.
Okay.
I'm putting sunflower
we're
seeds
gonna add
on.
these. Yeah. Okay. Let's take these off.
That's good.
Who knew such a thing? No cheese. Strike two.
No! What would
Okay.
happen if we ever reach strike three?
We die. No, that just means it's a bad quesadilla. Okay. Let's fold this.
No!
I think we could add way more seeds on there. There's like nothing on there. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, let's fold this. Let's bring it to the middle. Okay, now we wait. Let's check. Chickadee check. Aren't we just so funny?
I don't know.
Okay. Yep, definitely. This is
Just picked that
definitely ready.
up. Wow. Ooh.
Okay, that's good. That's really good. Very good. Okay, now let's sit and wait a little bit longer. Oh. Okay, let's check again. I'm not gonna do the check thing, but I literally just did, so whatever. Now we're gonna check this. Yeah, get a plate. Get a plate! Hurry! Oh, it smells so good.
Gosh, chill.
Oh. Quesadilla on the plate. Time to review. Let's do it. Hey guys, we hit the review with our dad, so let's cut this open.
Let's cut it open. What do we got?
We got bubblegum, sunflower seeds, cheese, Hubba
I
Bubba.
mean, I'm wearing my baseball shirt, so I knew that this was a baseball themed quesadilla.
It's
You guessed
Hubba Bubba bubblegum. You got the Big League Chew in there.
Sunflower seeds.
And you got
Without
sunflower.
this-
I'll take the middle.
So the sunflower seeds, do they have the shells on them?
Nope.
Because everyone knows that that's the best baseball snack. Sunflower seeds with the shells. What's your favorite sunflower seed flavor?
Original.
Original,
Actually,
really?
maybe
You probably like
maybe
ranch the
bacon.
most.
Dill pickle.
Dill
Bacon.
pickles are the good
Bacon.
ones. All this gum.
Gum.
That's what it looks like. Let's open this thing up and see what it
Jumbo
looks like. I bet it's gonna be
gumbo.
like stringy and gummy. Oh no! Look, mine has like hardly any gum on it. You guys gypped me. Look at that. I need to start checking this before we. Look at his. Oh my goodness, that looks great. You got any
It's
thoughts?
so hot.
That it's gonna be very chewy.
It's gonna be chewy.
My thoughts that it's hot.
Yeah.
Like me.
This was quite the baseball season.
Yeah.
Joshua hit 3 home runs. Andrew hit 5.
I did hit 5.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I hit 3 home runs and then I hit 20 grand slams.
Oh, yeah, because
So-
he somehow was always up at the bases.
So just know
We
that I'm good at
we
baseball.
didn't hit anything.
He didn't hit any.
I did hit a triple this season, though.
Oh yeah, he hit a triple.
He
That's
wasn't there for that. He was coaching his team.
true. Mm-hmm.
That made
Gotta
an
pick a
amazing.
kid, you know.
I
All right,
made
let's
an
do it.
amazing play.
I don't care if it's hot.
Oh.
In case you guys didn't know, this says 2016 World Series champion Chicago Cubs, greatest baseball team that ever played the game.
Greatest year ever.
Get it right.
Get it right.
Mm,
Oh.
yeah. What do you think?
I don't really taste anything except for gum. It feels so more quiet than before.
There's a lot of gum.
It's too bubble gummy. It's like I can't tell if it's the sugar or
Hot bubble gum is not good. I'm gonna go ahead and just say it can't.
Marty, you're up.
What?
We were at 2 strikes while cooking.
Strike 3, you're out.
Nobody look at that. It was terrible. I couldn't keep chewing it because hot gum is just falling apart in your mouth. It like basically, it held together inside the quesadilla, and then the minute you start chewing it, it just started falling apart like a powder. So I say it can't. Strike 3, you're out.
Definitely.
This is hard because
What?
it's
What'd
like
you say?
good and bad.
Did you rate it?
Yeah, I can't.
Okay.
Strike 4.
You gotta be authoritative. It can't.
It's like
Oh yeah, look at that.
Strike 5. We're all out.
So you think
It can't.
it can't?
3
My goodness.
pins. That's how you know to never try.
I guess we lose. I guess it's home team 0, visitors. No, home team 0, visitors 3. Right? This is the visitor.
what?
This was a bad quesadilla. We're trying to make baseball puns, baseball analogies.
It was not a home run.
It was not a home run. It was a ground ball to the pitcher. Pitcher threw it to first. We're all out. Inning over. Game over.
Middle of the
Swing and a miss.
Swing and a miss.
Um,
He's out.
8-7 in the World Series. Cubs are in the lead. They pitched it's bases loaded. Let's say Mike Trout hits a grand slam.
For the Cubs?
No, for
For the Angels?
It lost.
Oh, the Cubs lost. In the World Series, that will never happen.
It's like there was like too much of the bubblegum flavor. It was just
Yeah.
overwhelming.
What I thought would happen was we would chew away the sunflower seeds and tortilla and eventually just have a nice, delicious bubble gum in it. Like, you just keep chewing and everything would, you just swallow all the non-gum ingredients. But nope, that's not what happened. It all mixed together in this, like, nasty mush. You don't want to see what's underneath here. It's gross
Ew.
looking. That's it. All right, let's finish.
Well,
So, can't. 3 cans.
3 cans.
Not a lot of 3. Only one time that's happened.
I think
Until today, it was the ketchup and chocolate one.
Okay, well, anyways, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button, notification bell, like this video, and share with your dogs, cats, friends, family, whatever. And we'll see you next time on Can of Quesadilla. Goodbye.
Bye.
Or bye.
Bye.